Now let's move on. This is called cell errors. When you're working with lot of data and lot of formulas, there will be errors. Suppose, let me just create an error for you. This is, let me put it 0. If I divide something by a 0, it will show me error. So this error can be of in multiple areas. Suppose this error is here also, and this error is, let me just create the errors for you guys. So these are the errors which are coming, and now if I do a print preview, you can see that the errors are getting reflected. Errors, although are nice to tell you that there is this formula is having a problem, or there is some there is no data available for the formula to give a result, but for when you are taking a printout of a report, these error can be a big eyesore. People get distracted with so much of errors. So how do we remove those errors from a printout? What I will do is, I will again go to print titles. Now this is the option which is displayed that this was error. So suppose I put a dash here and put a OK here. Now if I take a, what I have done is, let me just repeat it. In cell error sheet, I have put a dash here. Now if I take a print preview, so you can see that the errors are, there are no errors. You can only see dashes here, which means that there was error but there is no output here. So now if you can see that the reports are more readable, and people will be able to concentrate only on the data which needs to be seen and not go into error piece. Even though your original file will have errors, the output will not have errors, and your bosses and your managers will be able to see the relevant data there. Again, you can have a blank option also, or you can have a NA option also. It depends on, like, if you put an NA and do a print preview, it, instead of error, it will show a not applicable or NA icon. Again, if I use a blank icon and do a print preview, there will be no data which will be there, and the cells will be shown as blank. It is totally up to you how you want to present your errors. Excel has the option for you to use, and it's totally up to you how you want to use this as it is.